Hi everyone, have a nice day. How are you? Fine, right? I'm Aida bin Ismail and I am from 5 Science 1. Today, I want to tell you my speech of said Eid Mubarak because of COVID-19 with my own creativity. Let's start. Hi, Aida. Oops. COVID-19. We need to avoid close contact to each other. Sanitize. We're safe now. Wait, why we need to use hand sanitizer? Okay. I will tell you why we need to use hand sanitizer. Okay? Hand sanitizer is a liquid gel that kills 99.9% bacteria and germs on your hand. So guys, let me show you how to use hand sanitizer correctly. Okay? Follow me. Firstly, we press the hand sanitizer into our palm, like this. Good job. And then we wrap our palm together gently. Yeah, like this. Follow me. After that, we wrap our fingertips into our palm, like this. Yeah, good job. And then we wrap around our thumb, like this. Good job. You get it? Of course you get it. It is simple and easy, right? And then we wrap between our fingers, like this. Yeah, good job. And the lastly is we wrap our back hand with our palm, like this. Yeah, we're done. We free COVID-19 now. Are you crying? Don't cry, Tina. You look so ugly when crying. I said because I had a sad Eid Mubarak this year. You know, I make rendang, ketupat, just a small quantity, just for family. I feel so poor and sad. And the last is, we just do video call with our grandparents, but we feel happy when we see my grandparents happy. What about you, Aida? What? Me? Yes, you. Okay. I will tell you my sad Eid Mubarak experience. Okay? Firstly, my family and I stuck in our town, so we can't go visit our grandparents in the village. And the second point is my parents did not allow a guest come to our home. It's all about coronavirus. Ish, don't say like that, Tina. Maybe COVID-19 will make us strong in any station. Be us a person who always clean. And lastly, be us patient when we waiting COVID-19 done. So, how about you guys? Yes, how about you guys? We hope you enjoy our creativity speech
softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with